Welcome to your own channel, that is Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the civil engineer, quality control engineer, and the construction professionals who are working in the construction project. So if you are a construction professionals, quality control professionals, or the site engineer, this channel is for you. In this channel, we are discussing about the construction techniques, construction methodologies, and the strategies which is required to get success in the construction industry. Today, I will discuss a very essential and important topics of the construction, that is project quality plan. What is project quality plan? How to write down project quality plan, and what is the key component of a project quality plan, that we will discuss in detail. So stay tuned until the end to get the full informations. Hi, I'm Kamal Banerjee, a civil engineer and the project management professionals. I have more than 20 years of experience in India and the international level in various construction projects as the project management professionals and the quality control professionals. Let's jump into the subject. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And also do not forget to like and share. So let's start. What is project quality plan? What is the definition of project quality plan? Project quality plan is a comprehensive document that outlines the quality management approach for a specific project. So it's different from project to project. It is every project is unique. So you need to prepare a project quality plan as per the project requirement. And it is outline of the quality management approach. That is, it is the activities and the sub activities which is required to deliver the project. Let me give an example. Suppose we want to do the concrete work. Now, for the concrete work, first things we need the concrete mix design procedure, concrete testing procedure, concrete mixing procedure, concrete pouring procedure, concrete testing procedure, concrete temperature and monitor procedure, then formwork procedure, reinforcement procedure. So everything is a sub activities for the concrete. Now if we want to write down a project quality plan for the concreting activities, these all sub activities will be incorporated into the plan. So same way, the project quality plan, what is required to deliver the project, all the activities and sub activities to be delivered and written in the project quality plan. So it serves as a roadmap for achieving quality objectives and ensure that all project deliverables meet the required standard and client expectations. So it is a roadmap, just like a Google map, starting point, end point, and it will give the roadmap. So if you drive like this road, you will reach your destination. The same way, the project quality plan also a roadmap. If we follow this path, the end product will be as per the client or the consultant requirement. So this is a document including all activities and sub activities which is required to deliver the project as per the customer requirement. So what will be the component of the project quality plan? Each and everything which is required to deliver the project. The first thing is project schedule planning. So we need to plan the projects. We cannot say that we will finish within 24 hours, so or within 24 months. This is a vague concept. So we need to break down the planning: monthly planning, weekly planning, daily planning. So we need to understand that if we want to deliver within the 24 months, we need to plan accordingly every day, and that planning should be incorporated in the project quality plan, so that the client also get confidence that if daily this plan or weekly this plan or monthly this plan is there, so that means the project will be delivered within that time period. So project scheduling, what is that? Is the start date, end date, KPI, WBA, that is work breakdown structure, that will be also incorporated, that this is my planning to deliver the project as per your deadline. The next component is project budget planning. See, in the project, if we want to deliver, four things require: money, material, manpower, and the machineries. So we need to plan the four areas how we will manage to deliver the project as per the requirement. The first thing is budget planning. So what will be our budget or the financial planning? How we will do the cash flow, how will the billing and planning, etc. Now we have separate supplier, separate subcontractor. We need to pay them. We need to pay our engineers, labor, machinery suppliers, everyone. So how we will planning, and what is our the requirement monthly. So we need to bill to the client or the consultant that we need this much of billing every month. So we need to work this month, and so that we also maintain the cash flow at the side. There will be no cash crunch. So there will be no project failure. So this project budget planning or the money part planning is very much essential, and how you are planning, that should be incorporated into the project quality plan. The next is stakeholder quality planning. So suppose so we get the project, it's need to deliver within 24 months. So we cannot perform the projects alone. So we need stakeholders or the supplier or the subcontractors. So their quality planning may be different, but whenever they are working in our projects, they need to deliver work as per our quality plan, so that our product criteria can match. So we need to plan accordingly, so that our stakeholder also work as per the project quality plan. So how we will maintain that one stakeholder quality planning, that also need to be incorporated in the project quality plan. The next is project workflow. How the project will workflow, what will be the SCAR, what will the project histogram, that also we need to be incorporated in the project quality plan, so that client will see, oh, this is the project curve. So after 6 months, this will be value. After 12 months, this will be the value. That should be incorporated in the project plan. The next is material planning. See, we have already planned the money part. Now we need to plan the material. How we'll do the material planning? So how we'll get the material approval, how we'll take material inspection, or how we'll do the material testing whenever at the site or the third party or they are here. So these planning to be incorporated in the project quality plan, so that client is saying that this is their material planning, and this way they are ensuring that the project material is matching as per the requirement. So material approval planning, material inspection planning, and the material testing planning, that is to be incorporated in the project quality plan. The next is manpower planning. So money, material, the manpower. How I will do the plan for manpower? What will be the number of the engineer? What will be the project manager? What will be the our workflow? That is foreman, chargeant, and the labor. That labor also the category wise, the carpenter, fitter, steel fixer, welder, etc. So how we are planning? What is our monthly planning? What is our daily planning? What is our weekly planning? So our labor histogram or the workforce histogram also to be incorporated. This is our manpower planning. So they will understand, okay, this much of activities in this month, so this much of manpower is required. So they are planning to put this much of manpower. So they will get confidence that if they follow this manpower planning, the project will be finished within the deadlines. So the manpower planning also to be incorporated in the project quality plan. The next is machineries planning. Suppose we want to do the concrete. So whatever the machineries you need, the concrete pump, you need the transit mixture, you need the vibrator, you need the needle. So these all you need to plan. So these machineries planning also month wise, day wise, and the weekly wise, we need to plan, and we need to incorporate in the project quality plan. So the client or the customer will see, these are their machineries plan, and this is in line or resonate with their main workflow or the machineries plan. So they will be in confidence that the project will be finished within the desired time. Now we have discussed machineries, material, manpower, and the money to deliver the project. The next part is the quality planning. What will be my quality planning? Now we have delivered that this is our planning. We are delivered the project within the time, but how we'll manage the quality? Because not only in the time, also we need to deliver as per the requirement or as per the quality. So quality planning also need to be incorporated in the project quality plan. So in the project quality planning, so first things we need to know what is my project scope and objectives. What is my scope? What I need to deliver, and what is my objective? That if we don't know the end product, we cannot plan. So to plan the quality planning, we need to know what is my end product and what is the criteria set by the customer. Whenever we know this one, then we can plan quality planning. So how we will quality plan and the project scope and the objective that you should be incorporated in the project quality plan. This is the scope, this is the objective, and then the planning. Then quality roles and responsibilities. What is the roles and responsibility of each and everyone, starting from the project management, project manager, and the head office base also. What will be the duty or roles and responsibility with them in related with these projects? Then site engineer, project engineer, quality manager. So everyone roles and responsibility will be defined so that the client will get understand that if they follow this and these are the responsible person, so this responsible person will be separate responsibility, so they will be in confidence that the quality will be ensured. Then is quality standard and metrics. What is my standard? Suppose you want to do the concreting work, that is a M35. Now we need to set the criteria. That means 28 days to be 35. So we need to plan accordingly. So if this mixed design is that, then I will deliver, I will ensure that the end product will be M35 grade of concrete. The same way, the whole project, what is the same activities, everything, how we will plan, that will be mentioned, and how will be checked, and what is the criteria to check, that should be mentioned in the quality planning. Then quality assurance activities. So quality assurance, that is set of activities that ensuring the project or the quality will be delivered as per the requirement. So the whatever the quality assurance activities like method statement, shop drawings, inspection test plan, that also to be incorporated in the project quality plan. So the customer will see these are their quality assurance activities. Whenever the actual product will happen, they will follow these activities to ensuring the quality of the end product. Then quality control measure. Now we have quality assurance activities that we are saying, if we are follow this, it will be as per the requirement. Now, whenever we are following, whether we are following same things, whatever we plan or not, that we to check that the quality control measure. So ensuring that we also have the quality control measure to check when the actual performance or the actual activity is happening at the site. Then is document control and record keeping. So next is from start to the end, how we'll keep record and how we'll maintain the document. What will be the document flow? What will be the document distribution matrix? That should be in place, so that whenever client or consultant or from the authorities, whenever the document is coming, so how it will be followed and how it will be react or how it will be action will be taken. That should be incorporated also in the quality planning. Then change management for quality. So there may be a changes by the client or the consultant during the project. So how we will deal whenever any change is coming into the quality or the standard. So that change management quality also you need to incorporate in the project quality plan. Then training and competency development. So any projects, there are several people are working. So they maybe have come from the other side, from the other company or other areas. So we need to train them, we need to educate them, that is which is our quality requirement and what is our procedure, so that they also can follow the same procedure and they also can maintain the same standard to deliver the product as per the requirement. So this training and competency development procedure also will be included in the quality planning, that is a project quality plan, so that the customer will ensuring these are their plan to educate their people who are involving in the project. Then continuous improvement initiatives. Why? Because we plan the process, we plan the measuring process, we plan the training and competency process. Now if there is any deviation or if there is any problem in the process, we need to redefine or refine the process so that whatever the error to be minimized. So this continuous improvement initiative to be taken, and this how we will take this continuous improvement, that will to be incorporated in the quality planning, that is in the project quality plan. So that should be also incorporated, so that the client or the consultant can be ensuring that if there is any deviation, so they have the continuous improvement planning, so that they can also redefine or they can mitigate this one. So these are the quality planning also to be incorporated in the project quality plan. The next is audit planning. Now, why audit is required? Because as per the PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act. So we have planned, we now started the work. Now we need to check whether we are following the same thing or not. So these are the audit. So the audit can be internal or the external or the third party. So internal audit is company's own people. They will audit the process, they will audit the material, they will audit the manpower. So to just find out whether it is following or not. If it is following, it's okay. If it is not, then what is the recommendation to make the process error free or eliminate the error during the process? So that recommendation to be incorporated. So what will be the audit planning and how the audit information or audit observation to be incorporated into the process, that thing should also be incorporated in the project quality plan. So these are the audit planning. The next is non-conformance management. Now we have planned everything and we are ensuring that the product will be delivered as per the requirement. But still, whenever the people are working, there may be chances that the product will not meet the criteria of the customer. Now, customer can raise a non-conformance. So whenever a non-conformance is coming, how we will manage the non-conformance, that should be incorporated. And what is your corrective action or what is your preventive action based on the root cause analysis, that should be incorporated. That if any non-conformance is arise from the customer, this is our non-conformance management to mitigate that one and to close that non-conformance with the root cause analysis, the corrective action and the preventive action. So this also to be incorporated in the project quality plan. So this all the project quality plan. So these are the activities and the sub activities or whatever it's required to deliver the project within time, budget and the quality, that all should be incorporated in the project quality plan. And this should be documented 1, 2, 3 like this. And after getting the LOI or the project from the client or consultant, you need to submit to the consultant, and after getting the approval, it should be circulated to everyone to understand that this is our quality plan and our project quality plan, and we need to follow this as a guideline or the roadmap. So I hope I cover everything. If I miss anything, please let me know and share your valuable feedback so that we can grow together. And if you want to know anything about the construction procedure or the technique or anything, please let me know so that I also come with the more content like this. And thank you very much for watching me. And once again, if you are not subscribing my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that any new video I'll upload, you will get the immediate notifications. And do not forget to share and like. And thanks again for watching me.